It's a brilliant projector system, and I think we're going to be very excited to have the TK800 here at 4 Points by Sheraton, and we're very happy to have BenQ as our partners.
Oh, I can see this TK800 at my own home. Great visual effect at my own comfort place. The best part is excellent quality, easy to set up and affordable.
I think the system is fantastic, high fidelity, great pictures, it's got all the right visual imagery, it's too good to be true.
What do you think of the projection system so far?
Very stable, no flickering, very bright, good resolution.
It gives me the 4K stadium feeling. It feels like I'm almost there. The colours are vivid and lively. In fact, just now during the game, there was this instances where the front skipper had a fly that flew in. It was really very clear. I could even watch it without my spectacles. It was really that clear. I'm very super impressed.
It was very fantastic. The screen is very big, the color very sharp. It's like being in a stadium. Yes, I'm very happy also France won. Vive la France!